To end the endless cycle of disruptions in your gut, you have to understand how to recalibrate its master control center. Let's break down what that means. In a healthy gut, the master control center, the AHR receptor, functions perfectly. It acts as a sophisticated management system, deciding whether to focus on daily maintenance and when to switch into an emergency defense. For those dealing with chronic gut challenges, this receptor has lost its calibration. It enters a state of immune deafness. Instead of distinguishing between friend and foe, the system spirals into a constant emergency loop. The mucosal barrier is compromised, and contrary to how things might feel on the surface, the system remains in a state of chronic imbalance underneath. Yes, even during periods of quiet, and even if things seem calm and functional, your gut remains in a war mode at a molecular and metabolic level. Taking CurQD daily is the only way to keep the AHR receptor active, erase the war memory of the immune system, and prevent the trauma of recurring setbacks. Our goal at EvaNature isn't just to put out the fire, it's to restore your gut's ability to interpret its environment without fighting it. Let's help your gut function in peace.